Sky, what is up? I stay in the beautiful place right here, just under my homestay. It's beautiful. You see some right here, right there, and then some people right here. I'm not sure you can see, but there's some of the animal feet right there. Yeah, I enjoy the sunset from here. Yeah, so my homestay right there. And this is my neighborhood right view. It's beautiful. It's really nice. Okay, now I go into there. Let's go. See how it looks. You see, this is the light of the rice field. If your first time work on this line, you might scary, but for me, I work every day when I was young, so now I am okay to work to anywhere. Let's see. So I will go to the top, then you can see everything around. You can see anywhere about this village. Okay, let's see. There are lots of baby frog. I'm not sure you can see right here, but a lot of baby frog. You see, they made the water is moving. That's the baby frog. Wow. I working in the middle of the rice field right here. I think here is in the middle. In the middle. Wow, it's pretty nice, right? You see, you have some house, you have some view, and then you have sunset, and yeah, just very beautiful. I really like this. I might come here every day to see, but yeah, I have a lot of view. I have a lot of view to see too. So yeah, here just one of the good place. And now I go back. So this is one of my neighborhoods rice field. Now I go back. Pretty nice, right? You can see here. I hope one day somehow I always will meet again, 'cause I've been wondering what this is the top. So this is my parents-in-law house, like my parents-in-law, but just like a neighborhood, and also this my homestay in the middle of the red town and the green house in the middle. Yeah, now I go back there.